Hey guys, welcome back. So we've got another review on behalf of Banggood.com, and they've sent me the C24-1. Beautiful looking rig there on the box art. So have a quick look at the box. High speed series collectible die-cast model 1/16. It's not die-cast. Four-wheel drive. If we flip it on the back, not a lot to see. We got that gorgeous reflecting WPL logo. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the box. If we have a look underneath, just shows you what's what. So yeah, just a quick look at the box. Let's take a look at what's inside. And what I will say is the condition of the box, very good indeed. Come to me actually as a box, which very impressive. Well done, Banggood. Wow, so there she is, the C24-1. What a gorgeous looking truck. Honestly, pictures don't do this thing any justice. In front of me now, it's very nice in white. I mean, I've owned a C24, but yes. So in the box you get the new fully proportional WPL controller. We've got steering trim up there, the on and off switch there, fits nice in the one hand, and this takes 2 AA's. You get an included 7.4 volt lithium ion battery. There we go, let that focus. 500 milliamps. Unless you get the 3 battery edition, in which you'll get an extra 2 of these. You'll get 2 1200 milliamps as well. It comes with a USB charger to charge your battery. Some stickers, so your generic WPL ones. And you also get some limited edition RBRC ones. So I'll tell you quickly that this truck is a collaboration between WPL and RBR-C. They've been around the RC scene for a while. They make upgrades and add-ons for WPLs, and it's nice that they've actually collaborated and made this gorgeous looking truck. You also get some spares. We got a spare snorkel cap, which is very nice. Always losing them on the trail. Spare windscreen wiper, door handle. Some spare links as well in there, and a screwdriver. And yep, that's what you get in the box. There will be 3 variants of this truck available. You'll have the ready to run with the 1 battery, which is what I'm reviewing today. You get the ready to run with the 3 batteries, so you'll get the one that comes with it, and times 2 of the 1200 milliamps, and you get a kit version as well. So what a gorgeous looking truck. Let's talk about the specs quickly. We've got a 180 motor into the new B36 gearbox. It's a very nice gearbox. We've got a fully proportional 3-wire servo there. And if we take the Ducati out quickly, we turn it over, we've got metal pinion and ring differential gears in there, and we've got the new thicker WPL drive shafts, which are, as you can see, the little screw there, screw removed for easy replacements or upgrades. So yes, gorgeous looking truck. We get in spring-loaded friction dampers, plenty of flex there straight out the box, can't complain with that. And yeah, the truck itself, it's a mixture of, we've got a C14 front bumper and grille, C24 wheels, and a very nice painted black rear bed. Very nice looking truck indeed. So I'll quickly plug it in, show you the functionality. The battery lives here, very nice place to hide it, in there, and you've got plenty of room. This is a 500 milliamp, but yes, you've got plenty of room for the bigger batteries. 1200 milliamp fits in there, no problem. Nice access, very easy to install. The on and off switch is situated at the front of the truck, sorry, out of the camera here, under there. We turn that on, and we've got flashing. Then we turn the transmitter on, and everything is binded. We've got these really nice warm glow headlights. Just a nice touch to the overall aesthetics of the truck. So like I mentioned, we've got a fully proportional servo, so you can make slight adjustments on the steering. And we've also got a proportional throttle. Give it a squeeze. So nice slow control out of that those rated-1 electronics. The reason I recommend the C24-1 over the other C24 rated runs, it's a bit of a gamble whether you're going to get a new stock C24 or not. So the old stock, you'll be looking at a 130 motor, non-proportional steering, and plastic ring differential gears. You actually get metal pinion gears, but the ring differential will be plastic. Bad points of this truck. I will be doing honest reviews, and I will be mentioning the bad points. Not many actually with this truck. They've actually done a really good job. It's the tyres. They are extremely hard. By here I actually got a set. These are actually ready-to-run tyres as well. As you can see, I got a bit of play there and there, but these are even harder again. So I recommend picking up maybe a set of softer tyres. I'll leave the link in the description below to those. And yeah, they'll make this truck a lot better straight out of the box. The second downside is if you're only getting the 1 battery edition, is the actual capacity of the battery. 500 milliamps, it'll give you about half hour on the trail, which isn't too bad. But if you're like myself and you like to go out for a good couple of hours, then it is worth getting the 3 battery edition, or even just picking up a spare battery as well. I'll leave links in the description below for the batteries. So that's pretty much it. We've had a quick look around. I'm going to take it out in the garden and we'll give it a test. Out in the garden now, give it a quick test. I'll put some rocks down just to give it a real test. These are perfect trail trucks, but yeah, we're going to push it today. What I forgot to mention on the bench was we've got metal chassis rails as well, and a really detailed, is it going to focus, scale interior. Sorry if you can't see that in there. So yeah, let's try and take on these rocks. So really nice slow control. Plenty of power there. Straight in the long grass. Easy peasy. Barely touching the throttle here. Let's bring it back round. Try and find a line through here. Loving the slow control aspect of this. So, as you can see, it's a very capable little rig out the box indeed. The ready-to-run electronics, I think they've revisited those. They seem to have a bit more draw current going to the 180. The 180 is giving me plenty of power as well to get over all the tricky stuff. And before I go, I would like to mention that it is a perfect 1/16 scale. If we got a little Liam there. Shout out to Dad X for this awesome little paint job on him. And yes, whereas the B series are say more a 1/18 scale, and the C24-44 are a more 1/12 scale, this sits in the middle at about 1/16 scale. So that a Ducati Scrambler does not look out of place there in the rear bed. So yeah, really fun little truck. You got the bed there for hauling stuff. I'll be leaving the links for this product in the description below. And yeah, cheers for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, and give that notification bell a click as well. Cheers for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.